Okay, here we are. This is IFT, Institute of Fashion Technology. We're just going to be walking straight up that way. We're going to get up into that little, into some of that, check out all this greenery though. That's all Taipa in the background. Tall buildings everywhere. And let's just kind of see. We have our... Let's go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Let's kind of see. We have our, this is the library right here, so this is the library entrance. We'll try to get a little bit closer in a minute. And I'll also show you the street sign, which is Avenida, Padre, Toma, Pereira. So there you go, that's right, that's where this is at, which is also the library of the Institute of Tourism Studies. So Macau tourism makes sense, right? Used to be University of Macau about 7 years ago. Then the University of Macau moved to Hengqin Island. Pretty cool view right there. Kind of makes you want to go up into that area too, right? There's a lot of different places you can go. This area. You can also get up there too. And it's summertime, so right now it's June 13, I believe. I'll have it stamped in the left corner. Otherwise we can see students around and such, but I think they're all on holiday now. But we can definitely get up there and try to show you what it looks like from up above. So we'll just click on this, see if it works. Oh, it doesn't even work. Show you some of this. Okay, let's just go up. Take a look at stuff from up here. So now you can overlook one of the bridges from Taipa to Macau, and we're gonna head on up there. Yeah, one of the things that's interesting about this university campus is that a lot of things are on different layers. So that means like you're not really sure where ground level is at when you're in here, because you can come in buildings, you know, different, the 6th floor, the 9th floor, -5 floor. So that's still the road that we're on, right? But we can also enter into these buildings and kind of explore a little bit. I don't know if I can get in there or not, but I can definitely get up here. This is available to all. Kind of cool. So that's part of the library right there, right? And I believe this goes right into the building, and our street that we were on is down below. There's a bus coming, and there's the bus right there, number 11 bus. See? So now we can see the traffic. It's a one-way traffic, so as you can see that one arrow right there, so it's, everything's one way. So a couple of students over there. You see 2 students. It's like they got their suitcase going somewhere. Lots of apartments over there. Tons of apartments all the way around, right? The lights just came on. So I don't know if they'll allow us into this building or not. They shouldn't. It should be locked, but we'll see. If it's unlocked, then we might go in. If it's locked, then I'll let you know shortly. This way to Silver Jubilee closes, opening hours 7 to 1. So it's open. Then you have this little open space, stuff like that. Okay, that's all blocked. So the elevators are blocked, and you can take some of these that go up, and you can overlook where we're just down, right? And now we're at something called the -6th floor. Let's see if these are even open. So the doors are locked. So it looks like we won't go into the building, but you can see that that's like -6, and then there's another ground level somewhere else. You know, that's 0 and 3. I've explored this building before when it was open. I just didn't have a YouTube channel at that time. So we'll just come back out here. These look like they're completely done. Yeah. It'd be funny if we got locked in. So, okay. So I guess what we're gonna do is just come right back out, and I think we'll probably end the video when we're like overlooking this little area right here. So you kind of got to see something a little bit different, I think. Something a little unique. And since it's kind of an interesting spot, we'll just keep the camera on a little longer so you can see this view coming back this way. Yeah, there's that bridge over there, the bridge over there. Some ships over there. I think they're bringing in some dirt so they can fill it in and create more land for the city of Macau. Way over there is Venetian. That's the Venetian casino, straight that way. And those are just like a bunch of Taipa, like Taipa Centro, I guess you'd call it. So I guess we're gonna be calling this an end, but we're gonna go over this bridge just a little bit too, and just kind of overlook stuff one more time before we do, because I think we can get a view of the library again where we started. So that's where we just came from. And this is where we started. So we started like right about where those two kids are at, right? It's that big thing. And you got some apartments over there too. So I don't know, hope you enjoyed this one of walking Macau, and you got to see a different kind of street here. Chiquinha, chiquinha.